15-year veteran to the sport, the founder, the living legend himself, the founder of Ramped FMX. Give it up for 33-year-old Anthony Murray. Living in Canyon City, Colorado. That's on the south side of Colorado, not quite in the mountains as much. They got lots of desert out there, lots of room to shred, kicking up like sideways in the wind. That's a gnarly one. Let's hear it right now for Ramped Up FMX's Anthony Murray. All right, this is how this show works. We are fueled by your energy, so the louder you get, the bigger we go. These guys got helmets on, they need your energy, so you gotta make some noise with your voices, you gotta raise your arms, get excited. The more excited you are, the bigger the tricks are. You guys wanna see these dudes get in the sky? We're gonna go right into the jam. Let's see them get upside down right now. We're not dropping Missouri people out, let's hear it. Where's Joplin at? How about Kansas? We got anybody here from Kansas? Yeah, there's my Kansas people. Yes, Alex doing a rip. Style for miles. Yeah, there's an electric bike. What? Upside down Superman looking straight back on that. That would be wild out there. Here we go, man. Oh, yes. So good. What do you guys think about Ramped Up? There it is. So sick. You just saw Alex up there on his Honda CRF 450. Here we go on the electric bike again. Wild double grab. Wow. Doing an impression of his favorite superhero, Superman. Laying it out. You guys having fun out there today? Where's my FMX fans at? We got the Oklahoma people in the house. Yes. Big old slow lift. I swear he hit the slow motion button on that.